Check out these Wildcats from Harlan Rowe Middle School. They raised their own chickens, harvested their own honey from the students' beehives, and cooked every dish for a true farm-to-table feast. Real food, real learning, right here in Athens.
Today, the farm-to-table students are preparing for the harvest feast. These three are cooking our main course, the chicken. You guys have anything to say about the chicken?
We've been raising these chickens since 8 weeks ago, and they had really a good life, so we hope it's good.
It didn't cost, I don't think it cost that much to raise them either, between buying them and the feed and all. I don't think it cost too much to raise them either.
Our weight before they went to the butcher, we started with 129 pounds, and after butcher weight, we have still a total of 80 pounds left, which is a really good amount, especially the chicken.
It is. Do you guys still remember what our chicken's weight started as before we sent them to butcher?
Wasn't it?
It was less than a pound.
And it went from less than a pound, I think, throughout all 16 chickens that we had, they were less than 5 pounds, and now with all of the 16 chickens, they ended up as 129, and then after the butcher, ended up as 80 pounds.
We started raising them in the beginning of September up until the late October when we butchered them, and now we're going to have them, and we're thankful for them for our harvest feast.
Here we have some of the students working inside the kitchen preparing the apple chips that will be then put into the dehydrator. So we have some more students prepping for the harvest dinner. What do you guys get preparing?
We got prepared both like meat sticks and cheese. And these are the triangle cheese. And these are the cube cheese.
So what are you guys working on now?
We work on the mini hearts biscuits, mini ones. For what? Like, we're making some?
Charcuterie board.
Charcuterie.
These are going to go on the charcuterie board.
Oh, little hearts.
Nice and fluffy, and if nobody likes them, then I'll eat them.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Get this. So our apple pear crisp and pumpkin pie.
Scooch that one back a little bit, that pie. I know it's not. You're putting it in the oven on the left-hand side of that top rack. Do not touch that rack, Evan. I didn't touch that in, Liam. Yeah, I know. I need you to reset the timer for 35 minutes.
Here we have a few of our students getting the pavilion ready for the feast. They're sweeping it off right now. Here we have our table fully set and ready for the dinner. Tables that we'll be placing the food on, all decorated, and our dessert table. Here comes the chicken.
I don't think that's where chicken's going. Okay.
Here we have all of our food, appetizers, and desserts and drinks. And almost all our guests are here.